All right, hello students. Welcome to Monday, November 16th. Today, again, we're going live. So if you did the live lesson, then much of this, you don't really even need to watch this intro. We did this review vowel programs together on Google Meet, and then I gave the directions for the Palindrome program, how to start it, and then your job was to complete it on your own. All right. So those of you that were in class, you don't need to watch this video, and you just need to make sure you get this done. And hopefully, I got you a good start during the lesson. And then this Weird Al video is just a kind of cool video explaining palindromes. I couldn't get the sound to play on the Google Meet, so if you want to watch it here, that's fine. If you were not in class, then watch the video and remove vowels, right, and kind of follow along. I try some of the coding on your own. And then the palindrome one is a challenge for you, and to program it is pretty challenging, to be honest. It gives some examples of what a palindrome is. It's a word that is spelled the same forwards as it is backwards. All right. And then, so your job is to write a program that checks if a word is a palindrome or not. And just please note that the algorithm for this is pretty tough. So I would try to figure that out on my own. But if you can't, watch the start of the help video. That'll give you the algorithm. And then after that, hopefully you can write the code. And again, if you get stuck on the code, go back and watch more of the help video and kind of do it that way so that you're trying it, not just watching the video. Okay, and when you're done, you're going to turn it in Google Drive, or you can turn in right here on this assignment. Either way is fine. Yeah, and then other than that, the only other thing in this folder for today is this Weird Al video, which is kind of cool. I highly recommend it. It's a song that's done entirely in palindrome, so kind of neat. All right, that's it for the intro. As always, email me if that didn't make sense or if you have any questions. Take care.